Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I presentation my article, I want to introduce myself. I'm Rahmat Haniru. I come from the lecture of Muhammadiyah Buton University, southeast of Sulawesi. This time, today, I will presentation about my topic that strengthening understanding of the fiqh of worship, the Tahara chapter on Society Waliya Subdistrict Bawa City. The aim of this service activity is how to provide understanding to the community that maintaining Tahara is the most urgent thing for the validity of worship in Islam's law. Counseling on understanding the jurisprudence of worship in the Tahara chapter includes the first, understand the definition and argument of Tahara. And the second, now the causes of small hadath. The third, practice the etiquette of going to the toilet and doing istinja. The fourth, practice ablution procedures correctly. And the fifth, the last, practice mandatory bathing procedures and tayammum in accordance with Islam's law. I think that enough what I can explain this time, and I close my speaking by Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.